Hey guys, Jane from Jane Music Studio. Welcome back. I want to talk about stretches today. It is so important that we stretch before we sing or before we warm up, just to loosen up all the tensions that we have. I know that sometimes when we are always in front of the computer or in front of the piano, we're always hunched over and we don't really think about our postures when we sing, but it does make a huge difference. So I want to just show you a couple of stretches. And if you want to follow, go ahead. I'm going to go through them rather quickly. If you want to pause them for each stretches, go ahead and do so. I want you to take a deep breath. So the first stretch we're going to do is I want you to look over your left shoulder. And I want you to take a deep breath. One more. Good, and slowly go back to center and look over your right shoulder. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And back to center. Good. The next one we're going to do is you're going to look up, but be careful you don't want to overdo it. So this one, I want you to place your hand in the back of your neck and go ahead and look up and inhale. Release. And release. Very good. All right. So now you have all four sides, left, right, down, and up. So we're going to do a head roll. Be very, very slow with this one. We're going to start from the right shoulder, go all the way to the left shoulder, going back to the right shoulder. All right, here we go. Take a deep breath. You might hear a crack. That's fine. Let it happen naturally. Don't try to crack it. All right, so let's do it one more time. Inhale. And on the exhale, go ahead and roll your head from your right shoulder to your left shoulder and back. And back to center. Very good. Next we're gonna do, I want you to do the I don't know movement. I don't know movement. So hold, 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 shrug your shoulders and drop. Drop them hard, okay? So again, shrug, 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 hold, 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 and drop. Very good. Let's do it again. And up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Hold, 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 and release. Very good. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Very good. All right, that one you can actually feel a lot of the tension tensing up and then you're releasing. That's one of my favorite ones. So go ahead and roll your shoulders back. Don't forget to breathe. And forward. Very good. All right, so if you need to do more of these or if you need to spend a little bit more time on specific ones, just go ahead and pause this video right now. All right, the next one we're gonna do is the face stretches, okay? So don't worry about what you look like, but just make sure that you are standing in front of the mirror and I want you to just open your jaw really wide, all right? So ah, we're gonna start with a vowel ah. Go ahead and place both hands here, both fingers. And inhale, and I want you to drop and say ah, ah. Good. Ah. Very good. Again. Ah. Good. All right, now we're going to hold it for 5 counts. Here we go. Ah. Very good. All right, back to center. We're going to do E. We're going to stretch as if we are smiling, all right? So we're smiling really, really wide. E. Let's try again. E. 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 Good. Good. Right, so ah, e. Next one we're gonna do ah, e, oo. Next one we're gonna do is eh. So drop the jaw a little bit. Eh, eh, eh. And open and smile. Eh, eh. And hold. Eh. Good. All right, don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale while you're doing this. Next one we're gonna do is O. Now this one is like the ah, but you are closing it in. O. 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 And let's hold. O. Good. Back to center. You're probably gonna start feeling sore, which is good. That means you haven't really stretched your jaw muscles very much. Last one we're gonna do is ooh, the ooh sounding. Ooh. This is more on the lips area. Ooh. And hold. Very good. Once you are done with this, do it twice in a row. Hold it for 5 seconds each if you can, all right? When we exhale, we're actually releasing all of the tension. So visually, I want you to think of releasing or throwing away some bad tensions that's in your body on the exhale, all right? Next, I want you to just massage your jaw muscles. Good. And then I want you to massage the bottom of your tongue. Just be gentle, not too rough. Good. Okay. And then next, I want you to place, you can place all 4 fingers right here. Don't push too hard, but I want you to slightly push your trachea to the side. Very good. Go back to the neck, to the side of the neck area, and massage them just a little bit, up and down. Inhale, exhale. Very good. All right, so you should feel a little bit less tensiony, right? If that's even a word, tensiony. Stretches actually play a huge role in singing, but most people don't really know that or acknowledge that, or they're just like, I don't have time to stretch right now. I need you to warm up and quick. So you need to actually put time aside before you do your warm-up, before you do your songs. You want to make sure that your body's just loose. If your whole body is loose, your voice, everything is going to be 10 times better. All right, so make sure you do these exercises, listen to your body, be well hydrated, drink lots of water even when you're doing stretches, okay? And also listen to your body, and don't forget to breathe as you are doing these exercises. All right, guys, so if you guys have any other topics that you want me to go over, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And then if you want your first free lesson, don't forget to sign up at janemusicstudio.com. Bring a friend, tell it to a friend, share it, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.